back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to format SD card or Bambu Lab A1 3D printer. When should you format? Printer shows file read error or invalid files. Printer failed to start or freeze. Files are missing or not showing up. SD card not recognized by the printer after using the card on a different device. Slow file loading or corrupt file issue. Let's follow the simple step. Step 1. Remove SD card safely. Tap eject if a prompt appears on the screen. Gently push the SD card and release to eject. Step 2. Connect to computer. Insert the SD card into a card reader. Connect the card reader to your computer. Then backup important files. Copy any important G-code files to your computer. Formatting will erase all data on the card. Open Format window. If File Explorer, right-click the SD card drive, then select Format. Step 5. Select Setting. File System FAT32. Allocation Unit 32 TB. Volume Level Optional. Chat Quit Format. Then start formatting. Click Start or try to confirm. Wait for the process to complete. Then eject the SD card safely. Remove the SD card from the reader. Then go to the step 8. Insert back into a AI printer. Insert the SD card into AI printer. Your printer is ready to use. Let's see what does formatting do. Clear all data, fix file system error, and optimize performance. Here are the important notes. Formatting will permanently delete all data. Always use FAT32 file system for Bambu Lab AI compatibility. Do not use NTFS or HFAT. Use a high quality SD card. Step may vary slightly by operating system. After formatting or troubleshooting, let's see the detail. After formatting, copy your G-code files back to your SD card. Ensure file names are short and simple. Safely eject the SD card and insert it into your AI. Go to your Files menu to the printer and select your model. Run a test print to confirm everything worked. If you find any error, you can go to their official website of the printer. I hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.